Ever get tired of the boring old thumb throttle on your bike? Me too! Today I'm going to show you how to swap out your thumb throttle for a fun twist throttle. Stick around and see how it's done.
Warning! I'm just a dumbass that likes to tinker with things and share my results. I am in no way responsible for any damages if you try what I share on my videos and you have issues. Tinker at your own risk.
Here's a quick tutorial on how you can install a twist throttle in place of the thumb throttle for the TST R002. Best way to do it, so that way that you don't end up cutting up your bike's harness or twist throttle, is to buy these 3-pin Juliet connector extensions. I will link it in the description. They have 3 wires on them. You have a female side, because there's holes inside of it, and then your male side has the pins sticking out. What you're going to want to do first is cut these wires down so that way they're more of a reasonable size. Personally, I go ahead and snip them off about here on both cables. Strip back the wire and then solder the wires and heat shrink them. But for this example, I'm not going to do that, just so I can show you how the wires are run. Again, male side, because the pins are sticking out. Female side is this, where there's the pinholes. The way that you're going to wire it is, if we're thinking about the male plug end, the yellow wire is going to go to the red wire for the female side. The black wire on the male side goes to the yellow wire on the female side. And the red wire on the male side goes to the black wire of the female side. Making this extension cable allows you to plug directly into line of your bike, but not damage your bike's factory connections or the twist throttle in case you want to use it on a different bike down the road. Go ahead and plug it in by lining up the arrows and pushing the connectors together. Once you shorten the line, solder and heat shrink the cables, it should look something like this. This is the male side, and this is the female side. This cable will act as a jumper that goes in between your original wiring harness and the twist throttle that you purchased. This way, if you ever decide to go back to your original thumb throttle and use the twist throttle elsewhere, nothing is damaged and can easily be swapped back. To install the twist throttle, power the bike off. Trace the wire from the thumb throttle to here. You're going to snip off the zip tie and unplug this plug. Take your new connector that's sitting over here that we just made, match up the arrows, and plug it in. If you want to ever go back to factory, unplug that cable and plug the thumb throttle back in. It's really just that simple. Don't forget that you'll need to remove the right rubber grip and install your new twist throttle onto the handlebars. As you can see here, I have the twist throttle plugged in, and we are set to pedal assist 5. I'm going to lift up the rear wheel and twist the throttle, and you can see that it works as expected. If I ever want to go back to my original thumb throttle, again, make sure that the bike is powered off and disconnect the twist throttle cable and plug back in the thumb throttle cable.
I hope this short video helped show you how easy it is to modify this bike.
If this video is helpful and you're in the market to purchase one, please consider using my referral code in the description.
As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.